Yeah. Oh my God! Today we are riding the Revelstoke Bike Park. This place is magical to say the least. Revelstoke has done a really good job building and designing the trails out here. The jumps here are huge, the burns are even bigger, and the speed here is unreal. As you probably guessed, we have had an amazing morning so far. But unfortunately, the day is coming to an end. Lucky for us, we have time for one more lap, and we're gonna make it count. Party lap with the boys coming up. Yeah! Oh, we got a slowpoke. Woo! We got a slowpoke up here. Woo! Woo! That's bumpy through there, bud. Woo! Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It was right about here where I realized my derailleur had gone AWOL on me. Look at that, it's broken.
Well, hopefully it lasts for the whole...
It's still kind of shifting, it's just coming off at the top.
Just be gentle on it.
Okay, well I guess I know what I'm doing tonight.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can got one.
Yeah, what is it, a 7? Oh yeah, you're gonna have to probably buy a whole new fucking shifter and everything.
Yeah?
Yeah, because this isn't, that's not a downhill cassette. The spacing on the downhill cassettes is different.
As much as my derailleur exploding sucks, we're in a downhill bike park. You shouldn't be pedaling anyways, so it's really not going to have any effect on the rest of this ride, but I'm going to have to get this fixed for tomorrow. Anyway, it was time for us to get back to riding. Cool. Yep. That's a big hole. Yeah. Whoa! Oh boy. Whew. That's so fun. Video does not do justice for how insanely fun this place is. I really wish I was a better rider so I could check out some of the more gnarly trails, because if the blues are this good, I can't even imagine what the blacks must be like. I do have to say though, the blues here are definitely some of the more challenging blues I've experienced in BC. The trail speed is very high, it's quite steep in some sections, and the jumps are definitely on the larger side of the blue scale. That being said though, everything is rollable, so I can definitely understand why it got the blue rating. Regardless, this thing gets an A+ for me for fun. If Revelstoke keeps building trails like this place is gonna freaking explode. It's gonna be unreal. I'm really excited to see what it's like in 5 years. Anyway, it's time for less praising and more riding.
Train of dudes now. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Ah! Oh! Woo! God damn, you guys are so freaking fast.
If you ever have the opportunity to follow some locals down a trail they know well, I highly recommend you give it a go. You're gonna learn so much because they're gonna be way faster than you, and just trying to keep up is gonna be a blast. I can promise you by the end of the day, you're gonna be 20% faster than you were in the morning. It's an amazing feeling, and it's gonna improve your riding so much faster than if you're riding on your own. Speaking of chasing locals, it was time for me to do just that.
Yeah. Give her. Yeah. Yeah. That was an absolute train. Dude, Powder, that was so sick. Oh, dude, that was insane. Oh my god, I was right on all three of your guys' asses the entire time, just whoa! Oh, it was so sick. Holy fuck.
This is exactly what I mean. This morning I was fast, but I was nowhere near this fast, and I was always way behind, doing my best to try to keep up to these guys.
Oh, we got a slowpoke. We got a slowpoke up here.
But after a morning of chasing after them, I finally started to catch up, and it feels so good. I think John was feeling the same way because he was right on my ass and we were both going balls to the wall. One thing I found throughout this experience is you want to be as close to the person ahead of you as possible. If you can do this, you no longer have to worry about speed going into jumps or burns or anything. You can just fall right on their tail and fly. It is so much fun. Anyway, it was time for us to keep flying.
Yeah. Oh, Sandy through here. Oh my god, he was so high! Holy fuck, that was fast through there. That was crazy.
The craziest thing about Revy isn't the jumps or the berms, it's the vertical. This place takes forever to get down. I think some of the Strava times for these runs are like literally 30 minutes for the KOM. It's insane and it takes you so long to get down the hill. But you do get one hell of a run.
Woo! So fast through here, holy fuck.
If you want to get miles on the bike, this is the place. Anyways, it was time for us to finish off this lap.
It's off through here, holy smokes. Whoa, what is this line? Oh! Just mobbing. Oh, it's split off. Holy fuck. Wow. Yep. Oh my god! Woo! Goal posting through those trees, holy fuck!
To say today was fun is an understatement. Revelstoke has got to be one of the best bike parks in BC, and I think it's the newest bike park in BC. This place is going to be insane once it's completed, and I can't wait to ride it. Anyway, I got a bike to go fix because tomorrow we're going heli biking. Stay tuned.